Shubor nagaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ukondit ki sangma ha kesni sedang ke dorbar. Menta kesni ke khat riu turik urempang arajar arpusau ula pentip ba menta kesni kadai kesni bansa Kynmaw na ke menta ki patba ke Jylla Meghalaya na bala Plie yo Motdur jo upaim Tirot Sngi. Menteri Rangba uloong ba keni kadai kesni ke bakemen. Habala yo ban Plie yo Motdur jo riu kraw keri Tirot Sngi Dhaka Bangladesh. Ukondit belapen pauru Dhaka baong ba uriu kraw Tirot Sing udai usap jong kajing kermen kajing slur bat kajing nan ladi. Shu Menteri Rangba ula ai kajing kublai syaka sorkar kari Bangladesh ba dia Menteri Rangba du kari Bangladesh. Kumjuk ru ia ke sorkar pedang kari India ia Menteri Rangba du kari India Narendra Modi na kebentang kajing kersan ban pen orlong ia kani kajing Plie ia Motdur jong upaim Tirot Sing hari Bangladesh.
Today is a very historic moment for the people of our state. It is with a great sense of pride, a great sense of honor, and a great sense of humility that I would like to inform this House and all the citizens of our state that a bust of our great freedom fighter and great leader, Tirot Singh, is being unveiled in Dhaka, in Bangladesh today. Mr. Speaker, sir, Tirot Singh is a symbol of hope, a symbol of bravery, and a symbol of patriotism. Today, by unveiling the bust of Tirot Singh in Dhaka, all of these have been recognized, and I would like to officially take this opportunity to thank the government of Bangladesh and the Honorable Prime Minister of Bangladesh. I would like to thank the Honorable Prime Minister of India, the Government of India, and all the other stakeholders who have made this a possibility. So as I speak, our team, which is headed by the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mas Sngi, our Art and Culture Minister, Paul Lyngdoh, our Health Minister, Kong Amperin Lyngdoh, and our State Planning Board Chairman, Metba Lyngdoh, along with different traditional heads, Himas of different CMship, different community leaders, different academicians, different artists, and members from the press are in Dhaka today to be part of this memorable and a very, very historic moment.